In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Photos to search the web with an image. This is often called a reverse image search, and it's a simple way to learn more about what's in a photo. You can use it to find similar images, figure out where a picture appears online, identify objects or even people in public, shop for items you see in a photo, and translate or copy text that appears on signs, documents, or screenshots. The magic behind this is Google Lens, which is built right into Google Photos on both Android and iPhone. Here's how it works. First, open the Google Photos app and choose the picture you want to use. This can be a photo you took, a screenshot, or an image you saved. Picking a clear, well-lit photo usually leads to better results, especially if you're trying to identify a product, a plant, or a landmark. Next, tap the Google Lens icon. It typically looks like a small camera or a rounded square with a dot, and you'll find it along the bottom of the screen in Google Photos. Because Lens is integrated directly into the app, you don't need to switch anywhere else. Just tap it and let it analyze the image. After a moment, you'll see results pulled from across the web. Lens looks for visually similar images, matching websites that use the same or related pictures, and relevant details about objects it detects. If the photo includes products, you may see shopping links. If there's text, Lens can recognize it so you can translate or copy it. If the picture includes a place or a landmark, it often suggests names, locations, or background info. These results are dynamic and can help you track down the original source of a photo, verify whether an image has been used elsewhere, or simply learn more about what you're looking at. There are plenty of practical uses. You can identify plants or animals, find the exact model of something you want to buy, search screenshots to jump to related pages, translate signs or menus, and check whether a suspicious photo appears on other sites. A few important notes to keep in mind. Google Lens has replaced much of the older reverse image search system, and many people find it better at recognizing and describing objects than at finding exact original sources. Exact matches may not always appear, especially if the image is heavily cropped, blurry, or low resolution. For the most reliable results, start with clear, high-quality photos. That's all you need to use Google Photos and Lens to search the web with an image. Try it on a few different pictures and see what you discover.